This video mean for entertainment purpose only. Please don't follow instruction given in this video. This video is incomplete in term of transcript. I apologize for this. Let's start. Warning. 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 This is not a simulacrum. Our emergency alert system has issued civil defense warning in category nuclear attack. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our radar detected many United States of America bomber. Possibility they have nuclear warhead. They possibility to hit Hiroshima and Nagasaki within 3 minutes. A attempt to shoot down bomber is make, but failed. Please do you following to ensure your safety. Firstly is calm down. Secondly is to find all relative as much as possible. Third one is go to fallout shelter as fast as possible. Fourth is government will send to various area of Hiroshima Prefecture and Nagasaki Prefecture to make sure that is safe to leave. I repeat instruction below. Firstly is calm down.
Missile, missile, missile. Seek shelter immediately.
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、
Seriously. Nuclear are coming.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit a notification bell so you can't miss all video. Please note that re-uploading is prohibited in my channel. Till then, bye-bye. Credit goes to another random user. Link will be in description. If get 10 views, I will upload Korean War variant of this.
Voice actors intro part. Charming Lake. Voice actors alert part. Joey. Voice actors attention part. Jesse. Voice actors outro part. Blake. Voice actors credit part. British female.
Sound effect in this video. Please no copyright. China Emergency Alert System Alarm Sound Effect. Air Raid Siren Mixed Sound Effect. Tsar Bomba Explosion Sound Effect.